Hello everybody, it's Susan, and today I'm going to be doing a bloom, and I'm going to be using mostly blacks and whites and just adding a little bit of red in there, and we'll see how it goes. I'll bring it down. Alright, I'm going to start with the pillow. I'm using two pillows mixed together because I'm kind of running out of pillow, and I'm trying to use up some of the pillow that I bought a long time ago that I thought that I could never use. I tried one of them just recently and it worked, so I'm just going to, I think I might have put too much. I think I might have put too much on here, but it's okay. I added a different kind of pink in with it so I can use that up as well. Okay. Let's see. You should always pop bubbles, air bubbles, with a toothpick or something sharp. Never torch. For a bloom, never torch, because it affects the outcome of it. It might dry the top layer too quickly because it's heat, and then it could affect how it moves on your board. And I see another one. So I never torch. I might have torched a long time ago, once or twice, because I probably had really bad air bubbles, but lately I'm not too bad. All right. So, blacks and whites. I've got some unicorn spit, too, that I'm going to put down first, and it's black. Let's see how this, it's the first time using this. Let's see how this goes. I don't know how you open up the lid. Oh, that's how you open up the lid. All right, so I'm going here, and I'm pouring it straight from the bottle. Not even sure if this is the right thing to do, but whoops. We'll see. I'll find out. All the paints I'm using today are leftovers, so it doesn't matter. Alright, that's good enough, I think. Shut this. Now I'm going to be using white. This is just regular white mixed with pouring medium. It's Amsterdam white, I should say. Actually, that's good. I don't want to have too much black on here. That's black. That was just regular Amsterdam black. And this is Bordeaux red. I think it is Arteza. Actually, I'm using more than I wanted to use. Did that by accident. And I see another air bubble or two. Okay. Now I'm going to be using a white cell activator. It's Amsterdam White and Australian Floetrol. You always give it a bit of a whip before you use it. It activates everything. It works better, just to make it a bit frothy. I mixed it more before as well, so okay, whoops. And now I'm using, it's Atelier Brown Black as my cell activator on top, mixed with Australian Floetrol. I can't really mix this very well because it's hardly anything left in here, so fingers crossed. Okay. Oh, I gotta stand up. This supposed to do this quickly. I don't know what it is, but it's not working. Not working at all. I don't know what it is. Could be the unicorn spit. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to smush it all back into the middle and try again. And I'm not going to use any more unicorn spit, so that could be what the issue is, or it could be the what do you call it? This CA it's old and very dark. I'll try it again. Okay, so I'm gonna just shove everything back. This is gonna make for a longer video. Alright, I'm gonna start over again. I'm not putting down that black, or I'm not using the CA. I don't think it's any good anyway. So what am I going to do now? I'm not using the unicorn spit, so I'm just going to use what I have. Alright, so get rid of some air pop bubbles. All right, so, well, I'm going to use up the rest of this red on the bottom. When you have a failure, you just keep on going, and then if it doesn't work out the second time, usually you need to scrape it and start over. Alright, that's enough of the red. No more red left. All right, now I'm going to put some white on here. Now black. Then I'm going to do more white again. More black. Now my cell activator. All right, try again. Okay. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to leave it. That looks pretty nice. The white is still pretty, quite a lot of white. But I'll let it sit for a minute and see what happens. Okay, something's happening in the middle. It could be closing in a little bit. I don't know. But I'm not going to wait any longer. I'm not supposed to really wait, so I'm going to start spinning. Just moving it down a little bit. Too much red on here. Woohoo! That black's starting to come through here. Right, I'm gonna just keep spinning because I think I need to take some of this paint off. There's too much paint on. Wow. Look at the cells. Big. Okay. I'm just going to move it down farther. I think the red took over quite a bit. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I don't know why it's so slippery. I got these rubber mats under here just so it doesn't slip, but it does. I think I might just modify some of it. I will show you at the end how it dried, hopefully. So this dried very nice. It only took a couple of days to dry fully, nice and smooth. Bring you in for a close-up. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye for now.